While we have the Vega apart for other things, we're going to take this opportunity to replace the motor mounts.
Welcome to the Burnouts and Rotorblades YouTube channel. Let's go do something awesome.
When it comes to shoehorning a V8 into an H-body, there's as many different mount options as there are available engine options on the market. Chevrolet small block adapter kits for H-bodies come in three main configurations, either the water pump mount kit, the motor plate, or a standard style mount adapter kit. Don Hardy made a number of adapter kits for the V8 H-body market, including the adapter kit used to mount the modest 283 cubic inch Corvette power plant into the Drift Vega. Though it is no longer in production, examples frequently come up for sale on various H-body pages and groups.
We're going to take this opportunity to replace these tired mounts that came with our Don Hardy V8 swap kit for the Vega with these energy suspension parts. They're polyurethane from a 1965 Chevy pickup truck, part number 3.1158 Golf. The reason I ordered these instead of the red ones was because they didn't have any more red ones, and I guess the black ones will do just fine. Let's go ahead and put the jack under the car with a little bit of wood, push up on it, and see if we can't get these mounts out the most easy way possible. If not, we'll have to come back with the engine hoist, which I really don't want to do. I'm curious to see how well this fixes the problem of my oil pan sagging, because my oil pan sticks down. What is that? 3 inches? The biggest problem being, if you see right in here, the oil pan is actually sitting on this steering link. That's not good. So we don't want that. We're going to go ahead and fix that today.
This has been a short video, but come back next time as we put the Vega to the real test and let somebody who experienced the Vega when we first got it take it out for a rip and see how much better it's really gotten.
Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content and want to see more like it. And as always, thanks for watching.